Okay, doke. Here we are flying through the Himalayan mountains, and we are flying in this baby right here. Oh yeah! This is Airbus A380 Lufthansa 100-year anniversary edition. The inside looks different too from the other ones that I've normally flown. But look at that handsome fellow right there. Oh yeah. So anyway, back in the cockpit, we are flying our way to Paro. And this airport is not suitable for this airplane whatsoever. But we're gonna go there anyway. Try it out. If not, then this video is gonna get scrapped. So Paro is extremely tough, even in small airplanes. And this airplane is huge. The runway isn't extremely long. And it is tricky as hell to get on there. So let's see how this works. And it worked decently last time, but I was flying a small airplane. I should be doing this at most in maybe a 737. But I think they often fly Airbus A380s in here. So my plan here is to come down over here, which I need to scoot over a little bit. And by scoot I mean to turn. And I want to get over to here. So that is even more. I'm at 1,600 feet. So what do we have here? So my map gets screwy on me. What I'm trying to do is get to here. I need to continue more. I don't want to increase my altitude if I can help it. So I'm going to try to pass through this gap up here. Do that much. But I'm trying to get up, right up into here. And then turn. And then head straight that way. So let's see here. Nope, a little bit more. Where's the ridge I'm looking at here? That's not it. But a little bit more. 80. Is that what I'm looking at? Wait. That's the ridge right there. Okay, so I need to turn. Yeah. I need to turn more. We're going to turn all the way. 1, 2, ready, and go. Turn to here. I need to turn to about 355. I'm going to get down in here first. Okay, so that's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I need to lower my elevation. Altitude, I mean. Kind of the same thing. 3,000 feet. Or 13. Come down about 800. Let's go. I don't know if I can do this right. So now I'm going to do this. Kick it over to 355. See how that looks. And that was a little early. A little bit early. Shit. Is that Paro right there? That is Paro right there. Fuck. Hold on a minute. It wasn't early. Exactly. No, that was pretty good. But, here's the thing. I need to slow down a lot. Like, all the way. I need to be down further too. No, I need to do this one. This would actually really need to do. I need to disable both. Okay. I have to do that. Okay, here's Paro. Ooh! This is not gonna work out well. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna put my air brakes on. I'm gonna go ahead and put my gear down. It's pretty fast for gear, but I need to be able to slow. So I'm also descending. Oh yeah. This is going to be a good time here. Okay, we're doing it though. Okay, getting low. Speed wise, okay. I wonder if I'm better off doing that. So I just took my flaps off.
2,500.
Now I can descend faster.
2,500.
Okay, flaps back on, both. Oh yeah. I don't know if this is exactly what I was thinking. Okay, Paro, here we come. Yep. Oh shit. Oh man, I didn't realize that. So I have no total lock. What is wrong with you? Oh man, this is not gonna work out. Again, we are too high now. Something went wrong and it started throttling me up. But let's see. I might be able to get this. There's a small chance. My speed is pretty good right now. You're dropping like a rock. I got my air brakes on. Both flaps on. Or full flaps anyway. And we're at 160. And if we could stay at 160, you might be able to
2,500.
This, but now we're climbing. I'm gonna try to level out a little. Not gonna work. Not gonna work. Yeah, we're going too fast. So I'm gonna have to pull out of this.
Pull up.
Yeah.
Pull up.
Yeah, no.
Pull up. Pull up.
1,000.
Pull up.
Let's see what we can do. Oh,
Pull
1,000.
Pull up.
Yeah, we're going too fast.
400.
Pull up.
But
Pull
anyway,
up. Pull up.
not gonna do it.
50. 40. 30.
Too low terrain. Too low terrain. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain.
Okay.
Too
So
low. Terrain.
I didn't come
Too
in
low. Terrain.
slow enough. Whoa,
Too
don't go
low.
that
Terrain.
way. Right.
Too low.
Yeah.
Terrain.
So flaps are up. Oh, I had my air brakes on still. Fuck. Okay. That's why I can't get any speed. Alright. So now plan B is to turn around. Back up to 180. We're in Toga right now. Focus off. Regular throttle. So I need to turn around. This is not easy to do without climbing over everything and then gaining too much altitude. So what I'm gonna try, it's more like I'm gonna do, not try. Good, watch my wings, man. They do stick out pretty far. Okay. What? Don't do this to me, man. Stop it. Okay. Well, I gained altitude, which I didn't want.
2,500.
We're at slow speed. Maybe I will put my flaps on half. Keep my speed low.
1,000.
So here we go. Ooh, that's a little too low. A little too low. Oh. Let's try to level out a bit. Yeah. Come on now. Where's my speed here? Hold on. Shit. Come on. Speed. Not really getting much here. Okay, let's try this again. I was going too slow. Now I can't seem to gain any speed. Don't have any gear, brakes, or flaps on. I'm slowly gaining speed, but I'm climbing too, and that's part of the reason why. Okay, so we're gonna come out this way now. And then turn around. The Adventures of Captain Scooby in the
2,500.
Himalayan Mountains. Here we go. 220. Not going very fast.
2,500.
It's okay, sort of. It's just kind of strange that I'm going so slow. A little stalling action, maybe? Yeah. Okay, no rudder then. So I need to turn here. And go down that way. Here we go. Oh, did I see Paro? Is that it right there? Yeah. Oh boy. Okay, so man, my speed sucks right now for some reason. Look at it in Toga lock? I don't think so, man. Toga lock is off. There we go. Now I got some power. For some reason it wasn't working very well. Okay, now I got power. But I don't want to be going fast now. Got my speed. Throttle off. lead off some speed. So here's where I screwed up here. So now I have to climb sharp just to drop my speed down here. Okay, now we're gonna reestablish that and get down to there. Now I got both. Oh, fuck. I'm way too high still. Air brakes on. Alright, fuck. We're gonna pass it, come back the other way. Again. Okay, so I get what I did wrong here, I think. What I need to do is kind of tough to do. So we need to pass. What's up? What is up? Man, this thing's doing shit on its own. Okay. I'm not paying attention very well. Which I'm not. So I need to pass this ridge. Things rendering in. Alright, well 280 is just way too fast. I don't know how I got so fast. Don't have any brakes, no flaps, no gear. I just gotta climb to lose speed. Kind of fast for air brakes. Alright, so we're gonna coast around. I'm gonna try to fly over that ridge straight in, and that was what I was trying to do, but I did the wrong section of the ridge. I ended up high. So there's Paro town, guys. So here's what I need to do. I see my plan. This is hard in most planes. And I really have doubts on whether I can stop in time. I'm gonna have to get my nose down quick. Try to come in kind of flat if I can. With a little flare. So I'm climbing too much. That gets my speed down. So now I can get my flaps on. Flaps 1 is on. So I need to cross over this ridge. Before I had to cross over where it was higher and turn. This will give me a straighter shot in. Otherwise, you gotta fly around this mountain ridge through this valley up in here, and that's tough. So you basically snake yourself through the valley till you get to Paro. Or you can try to come right over this ridge right over here and kind of dive in. So that's what we're going to try. We are cruising at 140 right now. I'm going to pitch my nose down a bit. I don't have Larry with me today to talk to. Arrow down that way. We're looking good. I'm gonna go straight. I don't want to go around it. Although that would be an option too. Not in this plane though. Looking good here. So here we are. I wanted to be closer to this ridge. So we're at 160 now. So this is where things get out of control. You have to descend.
2,500.
So I'm going to hit my second flaps. And hopefully that will keep me from going too fast. I'm going to hit my gear. So you have to descend, but you can't build up too much speed. So it's a fine balance between your speeds and altitude descent. We're descending quick. 2,400. Keeping the speed at 160, that's really good. If I can keep it there or lower. So I don't have air brakes on. Just flaps. So we're good right now. So here's
2,500.
I need to come around here. Just missed this berm. Oh boy, this is exciting. Ooh, do I have somebody that's gonna witness? I've still gotta be lower. Okay, we're going plenty slow enough. So I can point lower. Oh yeah. And then we're going to follow this berm here. Oh yeah. Look at this. Boy, we're going to make it in here.
1,000.
Pull up.
400.
Pull up.
What do you mean pull up? Are you fucking nuts? I'm not pulling up now.
Pull up.
We got this shit, man. 150?
400.
That was not that bad at all.
Pull up.
Try to get down as low as I can.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
There we are. Cool. No. Stop. Yeah. We got that. No problem. That person. Oh, yeah. Plenty to spare. I'm gonna stop this video here. That was good stuff. It was not that bad at all.
Pull up.
Try to get down as low as I can.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
There we are. Cool. No. Stop. Yeah. We got that. No problem.